Hello, everyone. This is Tina from Tina's Workshop, and I just went to the mailbox, and my Paradise Fibers was in. I've been watching the tracking on this one, and I know they sent out an email saying this was supposed to be a really good one and worth the wait. This is only the second one since they've started their subscriptions again, so this is the February package, and I am not affiliated with them. I do buy these myself because I really like them. So we're going to find out what's in this. And I'm going to cut it open. Should be easier than that. Oh, there we go. Ooh, I almost cut a string. That wouldn't have been good. I see a purple bag. Well, it is. It's a purple bag. We've got a purple bag with a purple bag in it. Okay, cards. Let's see. Make sure there's nothing on here that you can't see, because sometimes they put codes on here. Nope. Okay. Celebrating Paradise. Since 1997, we've been spreading our love of all things fiber art. This month marks 1 full year since a fire nearly closed our doors for good. To commemorate this, we are taking a moment to celebrate the Paradise Fibers legacy. In this special edition of the Fiber Club, we're revisiting some of our favorite fibers and designs, celebrating the moments that got us here and looking ahead to the future we're building together. So they were actually founded in 1997. And they've got this whole little list here. I'll leave it there for a second in case you want to pause and read it. Trying to figure out which one's which. Oh, that one's going to have... Okay. First one is Paradise Fibers Blend, 60% extra fine merino, 25% baby alpaca, and 15% tussa silk. And they're both in purple bags. Ooh, soft. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh my goodness, look at that. Not exactly my colors, but oh, even I can admit when something's beautiful. That would spin up so pretty, and it is, it is so soft. It is, I wish you had feel-o-vision. It's so soft. Okay, that's the Paradise Blend. The Girl with the Pearl Earring is the next one, and it is 54% merino, 40% kid mohair, and 6% stellina. And I have fibers in my nose now. Oh, it's tickling me. Okay. This is really pretty, you guys. Oh, look at that. It's more blue than it's showing up on my screen, but it's like a very, it's a blue-gray. And look at the stellina in it. Can you see the sparkle? Come on, focus better. Focus. Focus. There we go. So pretty. It's not quite as soft as the first one because that was an extra fine merino. Let's see, what was it? It was extra fine merino, baby alpaca, and tussa silk. So it was like super luxury blend. This one is regular merino, kid mohair, which is still very soft, and then the stellina. So, oh, it's so pretty. Super pretty. They did super good, which they always do good. That's why I get them. They always do good. Okay, then we've got a little Canvas Notions pouch, which totally makes me want to paint on it. And okay, ooh, I'm always dropping things. I almost dropped it. I didn't though. Okay, first thing is the Eunice stitch marker. I'm on focus. Little Eunice stitch marker. Come on. Really? There we go. And Mystery Stitch Marker. Second stitch marker from previous Fiber Clubs. And this was actually a Fiber Club I got because I think I got this exact same one. It's little cherries. It was like a farmer's thing. 'Cause I think I just saw this stitch marker in here the other day. They had apples and they had cherries and different things for that month. Yep, there it is. So now I have matching cherries. And then Notions bag, and then add-ons mystery tea blend, two flavors of tea. Decaf vanilla chai and wild raspberry hibiscus. Stash tea, of course. And a sparkly sticker, special edition special edition Eunice sticker. Super pretty and sparkly. Okay, so that is all of our goodies. Oh, the girl with the pearl earring is a throwback from February 2023. So that was I think just before I started getting it. And the Paradise Blend. This breathable blend is new and exclusive to Paradise Fibers. It was custom made based on our brand's signature colors. Okay, so that's why the colors are the way they are. Subtle mix of purples and yellows creates a vivacious, cheery look and is great for flowing lightweight garments. And then we have a page that gives us information on the different breeds. Did you know the fibers in this month's subscription aren't just soft and luxurious, they're also naturally moisture wicking, antibacterial, and UV resistant. These fibers keep you comfortable and protected in style no matter the season. So I think I might need to spin that second one, the girl with the pearl earring. You know, normally I take and I divide it up, especially if I have 4 ounces. I'll divide it in half, and then I'll spin one on each bobbin, and then ply that together. It's 5 ounces. I don't know if that'll all fit on one bobbin, but I guess I could try. Look at that. Fluffy. So fluffy. Yeah, I think I might need to spin this. And lucky for me, my spinning wheel's empty. Okay, so I spun up the girl with the pearl earring, and I think it came out so pretty. Look at that. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Now I just need to decide what to do with it. And didn't even plan this, but it matches me. Such a beautiful color. I was just very inspired, needed to spin it, and thought I would share with you how it came out. So if you get the Paradise Fibers and decide to spin it by itself, this is what the girl with the pearl earring will look like when it's spun up, or will look like if you spin like I do. But I'm very happy with how it came out, and now I just need to figure out what to do with it. And I think I ended up with about a worsted weight. Let's see. Yep, worsted to Aran. So yeah, it's about what I had expected. So that's what it came out with. And this has already had the twist set, so it's already had its hot bath, and it is all done and ready to be made into something beautiful. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure and click like and subscribe, and we'll see you all again soon. Bye.